Welcome to Jason on English. Let's look at discourse patterns. This time, apologies. What are discourse patterns? If you saw another video about discourse patterns, you already know this, but let's do a quick review. Some situations follow the same pattern every time. These are not conversations. They usually follow this three-step pattern: background or hint, response from the partner, information, question or target. So the three-step pattern is background or hint, information, question or target. Try to have these three steps in the different discourse pattern situations. Apologies. Basic pattern. Hint.
I'm so sorry.
Response. What happened? Information. Target.
I will.
What it means? I'm so sorry means, listen to me, an apology is coming. The sentence, I'm sorry, is not a complete apology. A complete apology should have all of the steps of the discourse pattern.
I'm listening. Go ahead.
When your partner says, what happened? It means your partner is ready. Your partner is prepared to hear some bad news. Balance the situation. The end of a good apology should have something that balances the mistake, balances the problem. That's what this ending is for. For example,
I'm so sorry.
what happened?
I stained the jacket you lent me. I'll pay to have it cleaned.
You can see we have three steps. I'm so sorry. I stained the jacket you lent me. I will pay to have it cleaned. If you say the first part, I'm sorry, you need the last part, I will. This makes a complete apology. Hints. Here are some common ways to begin apologies. Repeat after me.
I'm so sorry. I have to apologize to you. I owe you an apology.
You should use a hint to begin an apology. It is step one of the discourse pattern. Response. After hearing the hint, your partner is ready. They understand the situation. There is one basic response to invite the next part. Repeat after me.
What happened?
Balancing. It is important to balance the mistake. This is the final part of the discourse pattern. Repeat after me.
I will.
This is very flexible. You can put a lot of actions after this phrase. Repeat after me.
I will be more careful.
This is a very common set phrase. Repeat after me.
I will never do it again.
This is also a very common set phrase. Sometimes you don't know how to balance the situation, but you need to balance the situation to have a complete apology. The next phrase is very useful. Repeat after me.
How can I make it up to you?
One more time.
How can I make it up to you?
This means you choose. You want your partner to decide what action will balance the mistake. Let's practice. First, I'll show you a situation, and I want you to make your own apology discourse pattern using the information. After that, I'll show you my example. You scratched your friend's car. Hint, using so. Response. Information. Balance, using will. Here's my example.
I'm so sorry.
What happened?
I scratched your car. I'll pay for the repairs.
Your discourse pattern might be different from mine, but that's okay as long as you follow the 3 steps. Let's try another example. You forgot your friend's birthday. Hint, using have to. Response. Information. Balance, using make. Here's my example.
I have to apologize to you. What happened? I totally forgot about your birthday. How can I make it up to you?
Your discourse pattern might be different from mine. That's okay, as long as you follow the 3 steps. Let's try another example. You left home late and missed a meeting. Hint, let's use O. Response. Information. Balance. Let's use careful. My example.
I owe you an apology.
What happened?
I missed the meeting. I will be more careful next time.
Let's do one more example. You left your friend's umbrella on the train. Hint, your choice. Response. Information. Balance. Your choice. My example.
I'm so sorry.
What happened?
I left your umbrella on the train. I'll buy you a new one.
There are a lot of different ways you can make an apology. The important point is to follow the discourse pattern. Begin with a hint. Your partner will understand some bad news is coming, and your partner will be ready to hear the bad news. At the end, fix the problem, balance the situation, promise to do something, or Ask your partner what your partner wants. For example, how can I make it up to you? This will be a complete apology. If you have to apologize, make sure you follow the discourse pattern. If you like, please watch this video again and practice thinking of situations where you should apologize and practice the discourse pattern. Thank you for watching.